Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding crocheted baby blanket patterns. Different designs, different ideas, different color combination can satisfy you. Beautiful crocheted baby blankets. Star blankets. Zigzag blankets. Simple blankets for babies. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of baby crochet blankets. If you want to buy these very beautiful blankets, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video collection. Beautiful baby blankets. Your babies can carry when you go in the birthday party, wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Stylish blankets. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.